channel. If you're new here, I'm Monique, and I don't know if you noticed, but I've been gone for a minute. Now I'm back with the jump off. Yeah, I've been MIA for a few weeks now. Every once in a while, I do like to take a break from things that I feel like I become obsessed with, and so I took a little social media, a little break from recording, and I ain't gonna lie, it kind of felt good. So it's hard for me to get back into the groove of things, but I am back, at least temporarily anyways. I don't know, I mentioned this in my get to know me or introduction to YouTube video, that I do work in the financial industry, and so often I do have to get these series licenses. I don't know, probably if you're not a part of the industry, maybe you don't know about it, but yeah, I got a million of them, and now I've been asked to get another one. I'm not happy about it, but yeah, when I take these get these licenses, I do have to study, and it just like consumes my life. So I usually shut everything down. So I'm going to stop recording probably for about a month while I study for this series exam, and hopefully I can get back to recording again, hopefully before Thanksgiving. Hopefully I pass on, you know, my first try and everything is all good. But anyways, this video, I'm going to show you my little bathroom makeover. I mean, how long it's been taking me to get to this bathroom. You would have thought I did a renovation, but that's not the case. I'm just decorating, but I don't know. But anyways, I'm just gonna finish up with a few things that I need to add to the bathroom, and I'm going to do like a little clean with me. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, so this is how the bathroom looked before I started. Of course, you know, I have the wallpaper wall and the little DIY wall art. I also hung up that IKEA chef, and I got that small vase and the Poppins grass off Amazon. So yeah. Yeah, and I'm just going to pick everything up off the floor, and you know it wouldn't be me if something ghetto didn't happen. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the video. Yeah, I'm not going to even lie. I'm so annoyed by how small this bathroom is. It's so small. It was very hard trying to film this inside this small space. And right now I'm just going to, you know, add a little comet to the shower, as well as put a little Lysol in the toilet and let those just marinate. Okay, and I just like to vacuum instead of sweep or whatever, because I always have like hair and stuff in the bathroom. So yeah, that helps me to get the little hairs up.
That you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing.
Yeah, I see how the vacuum just disrespected my Poppins grass.
Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. Keep running away. But I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. I don't need you. But I want you. But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I want you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him, he one night him. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All this shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just slipped it. Baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind. This is where we can build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed. Once you got all that you wanted, nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. Oh, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I
Fighting to keep us together, hope it's worth a try. You ain't always been an angel, but heaven's on our side. I got my demons too, I know just how you feel. You can't be real with me, that's why you still with me.
So y'all tell me, what do you clean the glass to your shower with? The guy at Home Depot told me to use like toilet bowl cleaner, and swear to God, it works so well. What other things do you guys use?
So this is years put in love with the romance. So hold on, don't let me go. So hold on, hey. So hold on, don't let me go. So hold on. You tell me you love me, you tell me again. I need the reassurance every now and then. Love in a game full of X's and O's. But I done been played before. I done play safe before. Gave it up to somebody who didn't deserve my body. You gon' have to live and show that help to kill this hangover. I believe the love you need is sees the needs, and you can take responsibility of my healing, how I feel it. Don't go trading years away, oh no. So hold on, don't let me go. So hold on, hey. So hold on, don't let me go. So hold on, hey.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down,
You all see the white stuff on my booty?
do not have
That's
to
so
pretend
embarrassing.
like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. Don't
And please forgive me for not saving the earth, but yeah, I do like to clean my toilet and everything off with disinfectant wipes. I just like to be able to throw that kind of stuff away. I don't like to reuse like cloths and stuff.
I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Everybody's like he's no item, please don't like him. He don't wife him, he one night him. I never listen, no, I should've figured though. All this shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it, cause I usually do.
Okay, so this is how the bathroom turned out once I added all of my decor pieces. Of course, you know, the wallpapered wall with the DIY wall art. I did add a candle, some decorative towels, and some cotton balls to that shelf. That mirror came from Target. Tell me if you like that mirror or the original mirror better. The rest of the accessories came from Home Goods. I am waiting on some monogram towels to come from Saks Fifth Avenue. But yeah, this is how the bathroom turned out. I tried to work with the brown door and cabinet. But yeah, let me know what you think down below. Until next time, peace out.